In this guide, we're going over how you can join the Discord server for BBQ It on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, if you're currently in the game, you do need to back out of it. So go ahead and hit the Roblox icon up in the top left, then go ahead and hit leave, just like so, and hit leave again. It's then going to take you to the game page. If it doesn't, just go ahead and find the game and open it up, and then you'll be on the game page. Just simply scroll down on here, and you need to keep scrolling down until you see a section on here that has like the Discord link on it. Usually this is towards the very bottom. It looks like it's actually not popping up right now, which don't worry, that's not that big of a deal if it's not popping up for you. But if there's a Discord symbol here, simply go ahead and select it. And that's a quick way to immediately just join that Discord server because it'll redirect you over to Discord. But yeah, if it's not there, go ahead and actually open up Discord. Hit the little direct message icon up here and just scroll all the way down. You're going to see a little add server icon on the left hand sidebar. Go ahead and select that and hit join server. And you need to go ahead and type in BBQ-IT just like that. Go ahead and hit enter. It's going to load for a second, but then it'll go ahead and put you in the BBQ It Discord server. That's the two ways to go ahead and do this. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.